Morning friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today we are here back again with another mouth-watering recipe, and it's mostly the favorite of all and most of them like it very much, and that is Golgappa and Pani Puri. So isn't your mouth watering? Mine also. So I've made with a little difference. I've made stuffed Golgappa chaat, and it's very sweet, tangy, tasty and delicious. And when you make at home, it's very good because when you eat outside, there's always an issue of hygiene. And plus, when you make at home, you can adjust the spices and other things according to your own choice and taste. So I made with easy steps so that you can follow it very easily. So kindly see the video and tell us in the comment section how you like it. And all those who are new, uh, subs- uh, all those who are new to see this video can subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. And come on, let's see the video and tell us in the comment section how you like it. Take care and love you all. तो फ्रेंड्स हम आपको इंग्रेडिएंट्स बता देते हैं. वी हैव टेकन दिस व्हीट फ्लोर and this is oil, curd, and this is bundi which we put inside the curd, boiled potatoes and salt. So friends, this is wheat flour and we'll put some amount of oil in it. 2 tablespoons you can put oil, and a little bit of salt we will add. And now we'll add a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda is must because then only they will become fluffy. And now we'll make a tight dough out of it. So friends, we have made a tight dough out of it and we'll keep it aside for 5 minutes.
A few inches later.
Friends, now we will roll it out. See, like this. We'll make a big roll out of it, and now I'll tell you what we will do. So friends, now we'll make the rounds like this. So our pani puri, or you say golgappes, we will make. So we'll now take this out and see. And now we have taken a pan over there and we have put some oil. Let it get a little bit warm, and then we will fry these. Now one by one we'll fry them. Okay,
1 minute 37 seconds later.
so friends, see, they have become so fluffy, and we'll make them crisp for a little more, and then we'll take them out. See, I think they are almost done, and now I will take them out one by one. Wow, they are looking so good. कितने फूले फूले बने हैं ये, और बहुत ही टेम्पटिंग लग रहे हैं. इसी तरह हम बाकी के बना लेंगे. Like this we'll make rest of them also. So look at these golgappas, they are so crispy and crunchy. And now we will tell how to make their stuffing. Okay, so friends, this is bundi which we put inside the curd, and these are boiled potatoes, and we'll cut them into small pieces like this. And I think you will really enjoy it, because I love these stuffed pani puris. Some say pani puris, some say golgappas, so whatever you say, but they are so amazing and so delicious. So like this we'll slice the potatoes in smaller pieces. So now we'll put some salt in these potatoes, and we'll sprinkle chaat masala and a little bit of chili powder. And now we'll put a little bit of chili powder. So friends, we'll take these golgappas or pani puri one by one, and we'll stuff them with these potatoes like this. And we'll put some bundi, and now okay, we'll do like this, and then we will put other things. So friends, we have stuffed this also, and put some, and we'll keep here, and now we'll garnish them with curd, chutneys, and now we'll tell how to do it. So friends, now we have taken this curd. I have put a little bit of powdered sugar in it so that it may become sweet. And see, we'll put curd inside them. Yes. So friends, now we'll put a little bit of green chutney. And now we'll sprinkle some salt over it, black salt this is, and a little bit of chaat powder all over it, and a little bit of red chili powder. And now we'll add some, this is tamarind chutney, imli ki chutney hai ye. Wow, they are looking so tempting. I just feel like eating right now. And so easy to make. You can make it at home anytime you like. And a little bit of more curd over it. And finally, I will garnish them with save. You all know what is save. And see, our stuffed golgappa chaats are ready to eat. So, are you finding it tempting? So friends, our chaat is ready, and it's looking so yummy, so delicious, spicy, tangy and tasty. So do tell us in the comment section how you like it. Next time we'll bring some more good recipes. Up till then, goodbye, take care and have a nice day. See, it's looking so tempting.